Welcome back to the DIY teardrop camper build. My trailer just got in. I got in yesterday and I just didn't have time to pick it up until today. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take it out of the boxes and then just lay it out. And then maybe I'll do a time lapse on the assembly. But in case you want to know what comes in a Northern Tool trailer kit by Ironton, this will let you know. Here we go. It's pretty heavy. I just hope that nothing fell out of the box. It comes pre-scratched, so you don't have to worry about scratching it. There's your axle. Be careful not to booger up the ends of it. The castle nut should be all the way out flush, so you don't, see right here I'm adjusting that nut out so you don't take a chance on boogering your threads up on your axle. You knew that loud bang was coming, didn't you? Not exactly sure where everything goes, but I have a general idea. But if I remember correctly, on the nuts and bolts, oh, these look terrible. Wow, those are not nearly as thick as they used to be. I hope the fenders aren't cheesy too. Those are supports to hold the fender. So it's probably not even right the way I laid it out, but we'll see. We'll see. Already breathing hard. That's probably for the leaf springs to attach to. Now, I haven't seen a fender yet, but I hope it's in this big box here. We'll see. Pretty disappointed in these. They are super thin. There we go. But that may be help with the weight. You never know. There's the fenders. There are the fenders. Last time I got one of these fender, one of these teardrop kits, the fenders are much thinner too. The last one I got, they had put this bubble wrap on there. See, did it again before the paint was dry. And those fenders are really thin. At least I got fenders. Holy cow, they even got some, all right, that's the leaf springs. Never seen anything like that. I mean, usually they're arched. I mean, these are a very short arch. So I hope it doesn't ride too hard. It's shaking up all my stuff in the camper. Even this metal's thinner. It used to be, well, see how thick that is right there compared to this? The backer plates used to be thicker. We'll see. I'm gonna guess that maybe, yeah. Let's see. That's the tongue of the trailer. I'm just making sure it's still running. Not real stoked about that GoPro. I mean, yeah, they're all right, but I had really expected for them to, for it to be able to just keep running. Instead, what it does, it stops after recording for a little while, then it starts again. Now I really got to figure out how to. I haven't taken the time to learn how to edit yet. I should do that. Okay, it's for a 2-inch ball. That's good. I mean, I can always change it out, but that means I would have to pay for it. This is heavy box here. Oh, this has got a bunch of these bed steaks, so you can turn it into a steak bed, which I'm not gonna do. Those could be, and those are super thin too. I have some original ones, and they were super heavy. Now you can see all my nuts and bolts and backer plates. And then what we got here. License plate frame and wiring and tail lights. Alright, that's pretty much it for what's in the box. And I'll probably do a time lapse on the assembly. Thanks for watching.